Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix stuttering issue in EA Sports FC26. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So go to the game settings, click on game settings, and then from the top go to the display tab. So go to display tab and set the display mode to borderless. This will automatically log the aspect ratio, screen resolution, refresh rate. Now make sure to turn off VSync. So turn it off. And then here you will see the render scale. You can change it to from 100 to 110 or 120. So you can set it to 110 or 120 or in between like 115. And then don't forget to go to the visual tab and make sure to turn off input overlay. So if it is on, then turn it off. Also turn it off, all these visual settings. Turn it off, all the visual settings. And after turning off all the visual settings, click on apply. So click on apply to save the changes. Again click on confirm to make the changes, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if the stuttering issue is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.